Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing something really cool. I do things all the time, so we're going to be making, no, sorry, hold on. I was trying to make little tycoons. Okay, Roblox Studio. Okay, ignore. So, we're going to be doing something to make a successful game, kind of. So, the first thing you want to do, okay, so you're going to make okay, we're going to select workspace and we're going to color it whatever color. I'm going to color it, this is going to be, okay, so this is going to be, what is this going to be about? Kind of about, I don't know, like, a zombie apocalypse, and you gotta survive. So we're just gonna kind of like make green. I'm just kidding, no. We're gonna keep it gray, because I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So, right here, you're gonna put tycoons. I capitalized that on accident. You can cheat if you want to and do that, but I would recommend it. So, you have this. So first thing you're gonna do is ungroup. So you're going to click this whole thing and then press. So it looks like it's group, and you're like, oh my gosh! But press the bottom part. And there's ungroup. And so when you ungroup, you can delete that big picture thingy. Next, you're going to go to tycoons, and you're gonna rename your whatever the characters are, whatever. Like you can name them zombies or whatever, star players, wizards, stuff. Okay, now we're gonna go. Okay, so let's go back. Wait, okay. Now we're gonna go to buttons. These I like all the things, so you don't have to do that, but okay. Okay. So okay, just kidding. Okay. Now to do something which I'm about to show you in a minute. Okay. So first you're gonna grab a Pokemon and I think I like Sylveon. Yes, I used to play Pokemon all the time. Okay, so you got that Sylveon, right? Now, this is how you can make it your own. So you're going to go back to buttons because that's what you need. Okay, so you're going to copy, and then right here, you're going to paste. So you're going to put it right in front of this one. So you now have two droppers. And she's named Sylveon, so you're going to look for Sylveon right here somewhere. Should be model right here. And dropper 1 is going to be, so it's not going to be a dropper. This is by Pokemon statue or something like statue, and you can put it for, I'm going to put it for 20, but you can put it for however much you want. And so when you play, I'm gonna run this. Let's stop. When you actually play. Okay, so that's my avatar, and yes, don't judge. Okay. So you're hired. Okay. So you can basically you begin working right here. You can't buy anything yet. You just keep clicking. Keep clicking. Because I need money. 39. So we have enough to buy the Pokemon. Buy the Pokemon. Oh my gosh. I literally have 39 cash. Whatever. Okay. So let's keep making. I have to just keep collecting until you think you make a decent amount. So I have enough to get my first dropper. See, that's what I should have done for the Pokemon. I'm gonna get $10 more because I need it, or 32, whatever. Okay, see, that's okay. So that's something I need to fix about my thing. It's fine, but you can't get it. But that's something I need to definitely fix. Just a test run. So let's stop this game. So we need to figure out how to make what's okay. So what's in this? So we need a humanoid this or whatever. I don't even know. Okay. So we need to figure out what makes. Okay, so let's go down to players and buttons. Wait. Okay. So what makes this work? What makes this work? Because it should have worked. Well, I don't know, guys. So hold on. I'll be right back. So guys, if you don't feel like doing the work, you can search up tycoons, and there's this royal, I can't say it right. Royal tycoon. Okay, said it. And when you play, it works perfectly. I mean, it's the best, probably. I don't want to sit. And you can see there's already. Okay. So you just need own thing. Start getting money. Okay. So that's what it's doing right now. And you need to make your house bigger. And you just collect it right there. So how much cash? I have 50. Let's just keep collecting cash. So, it gets more expensive. Okay, so then I definitely don't have enough. It's gonna keep collecting 25s. We need 500, so we're close. Just need like a few 25s. 2 more. 175, then it's. Oh no, not 2 more. It's 500 that we need. Okay, so we just need to keep collecting all this moolah. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of wait for it to. Some things I would like to do are, okay, let's delete this whole workspace. So let's stop the test run and let's delete it all. Delete it all. Okay, we're gonna try this mega tycoon, see what that is. Not even. Okay. Big tycoon. Big tycoon. Clearly said it. Royal tycoon pretty big, so if big tycoon is not big, it's gonna be disappointing. Okay. Close. It's not working. But yeah, so that's basically how you make a tycoon artwork. Oh, it's pretty tall, especially since it zoomed out that much. But yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, I did not mean to click that. Oh, whoa, okay. Delete. Help. I don't even know. So yeah, that's basically how you kind of do it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.